Cardano holders, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys for stopping back. The Cardano Constitution is finally accepted. I'm going to give you guys everything you need to know about this, and it's a pretty big deal for Cardano ADA holders. So if you guys are into Cardano, you want to stick around to the end of this video because we're going to break it all down. Now, the rest of the market looks pretty solid. Bitcoin has reclaimed $100,000. The overall market, pretty flat. We're sitting at a $3.64 trillion market cap. When it comes to Cardano, we've been kind of trading relatively sideways here for the last week. You know, we've popped up a little bit here to like $1.30, but honestly, I think we're kind of coiling up, getting ready for the next big move. This chart looks very, very bullish though, right? I mean, just a nice steady incline here, 207% gain in the last month. And after this crazy surge in the last month and 5 days from 33 cents, from 32 cents to $1.20 now, you kind of need a little bit of a cool down period. And that's what we're seeing here in the last week. But I do think we could make another leap forward here sooner rather than later, especially if the rest of the altcoin market continues to rise. If you take a look at the altcoin season index, you know, ADA's right here as one of the top movers against Bitcoin, up 277% the last 3 months. Only Algorand, Mantra, Sui, XRP, Dogecoin, XLM, and HBAR have gained more the last 3 months. Now, coming back to this big news, by the way, if you guys haven't smashed the like button, definitely do that. Subscribe if you haven't already. We cover everything here on the channel. But the Cardano Constitution is a group of principles for the entire ecosystem. It's about scaling, growth, and tech development. And it's now one step closer of being ratified, being greenlit by Constitution Committee. The draft awaits approval from D-Reps. So I'm going to give you guys everything you need to know. Official statements made by Cardano's IOG and Emergo. The first draft of the Cardano Constitution, which again, a code of, quote, provisions and guardrails for the blockchain's future, did receive an approval from Constitutional Convention 2024. It says here from input output, we've come a long way to make today happen. The Constitution has been accepted, making a defining moment in this journey toward fully decentralized governance. Remember, this is all about giving the power fully back to the Cardano community. That has been in the roadmap for a while since Charles Hoskinson started this whole thing. And we still have one further crucial step. The convention took place in Argentina just these past couple days. Tons of Cardano developers, investors, researchers were there, as well as ADA stakers and delegators. Major milestone is now accomplished. The document passes to the ADA community. In January now of 2024, D-Reps of Cardano will either approve the document or reject it. That should say January 2025. As per their Cardano Scan Explorer, there are about 800 D-Reps in the ecosystem. Over half of them are active and allocated deposits of 500 ADA, roughly 600 equivalent as governance contributions. Since the D-Reps referendum is set to happen in January, ADA holders still have an opportunity to delegate their votes in favor of one of them. So the Cardano Constitution will be put on chain before the start of the community referendum. Now, we saw the DeFi TVL triple, 3x in 30 days. Massive move there for Cardano with their TVL. Went parabolic the first few days of December. In just a month, it surged from 230 million to over $705 million. Liquid, Miniswap, and Indigo remain the top Cardano-based DeFi apps, being responsible for about 50% of the volume. This is coming in from DeFi Llama. So this isn't necessarily tied to the price specifically, but a lot of people love Cardano because of the community eventually fully governing where this thing goes, right? And we've just taken a giant leap forward here for Cardano in that regard. And you take a look at the alt chart, guys. We don't have a lot in our way right now from taking this thing all the way back up to previous all-time highs. Like, previous all-time highs are $3.10. There's really nothing in our path knocking us backwards. If we take a look at the chart here on Cardano, this is the 1 hour. You can see that consolidation really happening here the last week. And man, this chart looks amazing, right? I mean, these last 5-6 days, just kind of coiling up. This was the last big move right here. You could see the last 30 days, 192%. Right here, 41 cents was the buy signal, the momentum up. This is XT Algo. This is my trading indicator. You guys can get access to this too. There's a link down below in the description. If you guys are serious about trading this bull cycle and trading altcoins this bull cycle, having a tool like XT Algo will certainly help you make a lot of money in crypto. These tools are very affordable too. I wanted to come out and create one, a trading indicator that's not only very, very solid, but also very affordable for the retail investor. So there's links down below in the description if you want to check that out. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already on your way out the door. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.